Tooligans, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a good start to your new year. Firstly again, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers and say hello to you all. Thanks for all the comments guys, keep them coming. Also like to say hello and thank you to all my existing subscribers. Keep them comments chugging along guys, much appreciated. Today we're just going to do a quick unboxing of something that come through for me. Right, so I should have brought my new mic down to use today, so this is only a short video, so I do apologise. This arrived today off Beasley's Tools. Same again, next day delivery. Wicked service, amazing service, awesome. Today. And in here guys, I've got my Roy Cropper shopper, the CT-XL. Obviously, bulk storage bag. You've got your big, strong, heavy material around there. Got all the little bits, your 5-year warranty, sorry. We've got another catalogue and one of the wall posters. That is a very nice bag, beast of a bag. What I'm going to be doing guys over the next couple of weeks, I'll use this, I'll get it loaded up, see what I'm going to use it for. I've still got a drill bag, just a quick one. I just wanted to see, I could probably fit 2, maybe 3 of these part boxes in here. I just use the Stanley Fat Max ones. Got a couple of D-rings on the side, put a strap on there over the shoulder, climbing ladders, use it for anything. Tough 3mm polypropylene base, all nicely riveted round. Nice bag. Cheers for your time guys, we're only a real short video, just show you the bit of a CT-XL. I will be doing a proper review on this after I've used it, so probably by next week I get a chance to get it out and about. Thanks for your time and take care guys.